Hi everyone, today I'm going to make Kolo Mee for breakfast. It's a very common breakfast in Sarawak. On the stove here, I'm heating up a pot of tap water to boil the noodles. And with medium fire, I'm heating up a non-stick frying pan to prepare the shallot oil and noodle sauce. The raw ingredients I've prepared are shallots sliced, fresh Kolo Mee and some leafy greens. Let's start cooking. Start off by browning the shallots in the frying pan. Then heat up the water in a saucepan to a rolling boil. Keep stirring the shallots to brown them evenly. When it's lightly brown on the sides, it's time to cook the noodles. Drop the fresh noodles into the pot of boiling water. Add the leafy greens along with the noodles as both cook less than a minute. Once it has returned to a light boil, it's done. Drain and transfer the noodles and the vegetables to the frying pan. Adjust the frying pan fire to medium-low. Stir the noodles so that it absorbs the shallot oil flavor. Then, at this stage, I added some fish sauce, just 2 squirts. 2 shakes of our fragrant white pepper. Give it a good mix. At this stage, it's basically done. But sometimes I like to vary my noodles and turn it black. I added 2 squirts of black sweet soy sauce. And I'm gonna regret this, but I'll continue to mix. Then I dish the noodles onto a plate. And it does look slightly overcooked here. I should have added black soy sauce when I added fish sauce to reduce the cooking time. Must not forget my English breakfast tea with a dash of milk. Now it's really time to enjoy! If you try this at home, you should be able to taste the fragrant shallot oil with the saltiness and flavor from the fish sauce and dark soy sauce. Hope your veggies are crunchier than mine. You can try this recipe with any noodles as long as you make sure the noodles are pre-boiled before flavoring in the pan. For the next 30 seconds, I'll just be eating. So, if you don't want to watch me eat, you can go ahead and hit subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. If not, thanks for dropping by and stayed for 2 whole minutes. The noodles get sticky when they're overcooked. Still delicious anyway. Breakfast away! Remember to click on the pink logo to subscribe if you haven't. Produced, written, and edited by MitchTintin.com. Music by Text Me Records.